Hello everyone, welcome back to Spectrum Classes. This is my next video on the software Mendeley. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use Mendeley software for writing research papers or thesis. So let's start with the video. Suppose I am writing a research paper, and in this research paper, I have consulted these four research papers which are available with me in the form of PDF and one URL link which is not available as PDF file, right? Now I am going to place all these references at appropriate place in my research paper. Here you can see, and I have written in this square bracket format. This is just for my understanding. This is not given in the particular format because I have not yet decided in which journal I am going to submit this article. So here I have cited all the references which I have consulted to prepare this. Now I would suggest you make a folder and place all these PDF files or references which you have consulted to write this research paper in this folder. So I am going to paste it. One more thing which I would suggest you here, actually Mendeley software fetches all the information from the document itself. Therefore, it would be better if you write the file name of your research paper as the title of your research paper. So as I shown you that title of this research paper is Seleniferous in environment. So I am writing this. In the same way, I am going to rename all my files accordingly. Now I will open the Mendeley software. Now sign in the Mendeley software. Email address, your password, sign in. Now we will click on the add references. So add new, it will ask you from where you are going to add. So I'll select the research folder, and in that research folder I have selected all four files which are available in that folder. So you see this, and one by one all these PDF files are going to be uploaded in the Mendeley software. So once it is added, you can cross it. So you see all four files are added to this Mendeley software. Now I am going to open those references which I have taken from the internet. So here to the Mendeley extension I have to sign in again. Sign in. So here you can see add reference. Click on the checkbox and add. You see add a green tick on the add references. This is my second one. Again Mendeley software. Now you will see this in the extension. This is actually web extension, so our internet is little slower. Now click on the checkbox add references. A green tick will be there. You again go to Mendeley software, and here you will see these two references which are added from the URL, that also added to the Mendeley software. Right, now we are going back to our Word file in which we have cited our references. So this is my Word file, and now I am going to Mendeley. Click on the references. You will see this kind of Mendeley software icon, and again you have to sign in the Mendeley software. So I am putting my password, sign in. Here you will see the references. Now we will first select which kind of reference style we have to follow. So I am just showing it you as a half and half window so that you can understand in a better manner. So select the reference style. So Royal Chemical Society reference style we have selected. Now you just identify which one is your first one. So this is my first one. I tick on the checkbox. Now add site reference. Once it is cited, you will get a green tick on that reference. Now we are adding second. So I first select which one is my second. So here it helps us when we put the name as title of our PDF files. So here you can easily get which one is your first, which one is your second and third. Right, so this is my fourth reference. I will find the name for the fourth reference. I will select over there, click add reference, and it is in the form of superscript. Now adding the fifth one. All those which already added, they have green ticks cited. Now I am going to add my fifth one. Then sixth. Now once I have done with this citation, I am going to add the bibliography. So for that I have to write references or the place I have to select to write my references. So here references, and now I am going to select add references, and this is already done. So no need to rearrange your references manually. One more thing, the references which I have added through this Mendeley software, that are plagiarism free, so that will not be counted in your plagiarism software. One more thing which I forgot previously, if you want to add more than one references, then you can take 2 or more checkbox at a one time. So it will add more references. Now I have added the bibliography for these 2 references. Now I want to change the citation style. So if you change the citation style, it will automatically update the whole document. You need not to do anything. So I hope you like this video and understand how to use the Mendeley software. In the next video, I am going to tell you how to customize your reference style if that is not available in the citation style library. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.